eating a sausage, egg, and cheese on a muffin from Dunkin' Donuts because I need energy. I also have a latte. Let me show you the madness. That's right. We're moving again. If you follow me on Instagram, I've been showing sneak peeks of the new house, and we're going from an apartment to a house. And I love this apartment. If you guys know, this was like my dream apartment, and I'm so grateful and thankful to be able to live here. My boyfriend got a new job, so we are moving. Yesterday was the worst day. It wasn't the worst day, I'm being dramatic, but yesterday was really rough because, let me sit down with you guys. It was rough because, so yesterday was rough. I'm just gonna sit down and eat my breakfast with you guys, but it was just all packing. You guys know how it is. Packing is rough. We are getting movers, so the movers are going to take all the boxes, but we decided to pack because this is a smaller apartment. And it was pretty manageable. So that's what we did. And I didn't realize how long it would take us. We were supposed to go out to dinner last night as like a last hurrah in this neighborhood, in this town or city or whatever you want to call it. Not city, it's a town. And we just didn't have time. We were just behind on packing. And yeah, so I'm gonna eat my breakfast and I'm just gonna go in a I'm delirious. It's 7 in the morning. I got up at 6. Movers are coming at 9. So I am delirious and I need to get everything done. There's not much left, thank goodness, but I won't feel comfortable until all of it is done and ready for the movers. So I have like 2 hours. Cheers to moving day. Oh, this is a medium caramel latte with almond milk. You guys, it's like 11 o'clock in the afternoon. Empty. Back to an empty apartment. The dogs are out there. This is just random stuff. Oh, it's so sad. Hey guys, I'm in the house. I look a hot mess. I haven't washed my hair in a couple days. The moving process was yesterday and I did not really vlog just because it was a whole day event. I'm sure if you guys have moved before, you know, I mean, we had movers and I'm very grateful because it was very expensive, but I have to tell you guys, if you are going to a big home like we're in, it is worth it. We had tons of stuff in storage and obviously our apartment. So the movers that we hired were amazing. If you are in the Philadelphia area, you have to use Pineapple Movers. My boyfriend has moved, I don't know, 10 times, like big moves in his life. I've moved several times and we've never had such a good experience with movers. And you guys know, moving is traumatic. Moving is a lot. It's stressful, all of it. Pineapple Movers, not sponsored, you guys. They made everything so freaking seamless. I'm obsessed with them. 5 stars. I still have to write a review. It was pretty, I mean, I would say it's pretty fair in price because the last time we got movers was probably a similar price and they were horrible. They sucked. And that was bellhop. So don't use bellhop, but Pineapple Movers, they're so professional. They are very, very experienced. They know what to do. They're like in and out. It's amazing how they do it. Anyway, I am here, obviously, unpacking, and I've already been requested on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me there because you'll see real-time posts. This vlog is going to go up a lot later than when this actually happened because I'm moving and I just don't have time to edit right now. And Anyway, on Instagram, I've already gotten several messages about doing a house tour. Now, this is kind of what I said about our last apartment, that I don't want to do a complete house tour because I do want to keep certain things in our lives private and just like have something for us. And my boyfriend is not a social media person, so I'm not going to show the whole house, but bits and pieces. Like obviously we're in the kitchen, and this area, you probably can't see it. This is our coffee nook, and I have like the sugar and the coffee back there. This is just kind of miscellaneous stuff that I'm trying to figure out where to put. So let me just show you. Okay, so obviously we have the coffee maker, and back here we have all of our like canisters and stuff. Also, I don't know if I mentioned this, but this house was built in 1905. So a lot of the finishes are very vintage, I guess you can say. So just keep that in mind. But anyway, little coffee nook. And I think this is going to be kind of like our assortment of drinks station as well. So I want to find a place for our protein powder shakes. These are our protein cups. I think I'm going to put like liquid IVs down there, a bunch of our like travel mugs down here, extra coffee. And then in these drawers, this is going to be where the K-cups are going to go, because we use K-cups for this Ninja coffee maker. So I'm just going to line them up here. I kind of want to get an organizer, but this drawer is pretty small. This side, we have our tea. I definitely want a tea organizer, but just having them in these boxes are so bulky, and it'll just be nice to see all the teas. So this is tea, coffee, and then this is my Vietnamese instant coffee. So I want to take that out, and let me show you guys. Kitchen's crazy. Over here, these are organizers that my boyfriend got on Amazon. And you get so many, like so many. So I'm going to dig through these because there's a bunch of, there's pretty much brand new. We only used a handful in our old apartment, but I want to see what I can find, because maybe I can just organize. Oh, there it goes. Organize the teas like this in these. I think that could work. Let me take the sleeve off. I'm trying to do this with one hand. But if I organize the teas in here, you know, that could be a vibe. So I will give you guys a look at the finished product. Don't know what's happening yet. Also, these are like windowed, you know, I don't know if I want to see those, but also there's just so much storage here and I need to fill it up anyway. So I'm going to finish organizing this, listen to a podcast, and then I will. All right, everyone, this is several days later. I just realized I never filmed kind of like the final organization of this drink coffee area. So let's start at the top. We have these cabinets here, and we just have obviously a bunch of our glasses. At the top are like teacups and mugs we don't really use. Then we have some beer glasses right here on this shelf. This shelf is more like regular drinking glasses. Like my brother, my boyfriend uses these for like milk. We use these for like water, soft drinks, anything like that. These I typically use for my iced coffee, which I don't drink iced coffee in the winter, but I have them there. These are the disposable coffee cups that my boyfriend uses for work in the morning. And then our regular mugs here, and then some like more teacups there. So those up there are the extra teacups, but we have some accessible down here. And then of course we have our Ninja coffee maker. We love this thing. It's great. Highly recommend. These canisters are my boyfriend's. He's had them for a very long time. And the appliances here just happen to be black, and the accents in this kitchen are black. So we decided to keep them, even though we were going to part ways with them, but they match. It's whatever. I do have our vitamins here in this pill box. All right, now going into the drawers, we have our coffee. Clearly, this is very sad. I need to buy more, and I actually just came from the store, and I totally forgot to buy coffee. So that will definitely be on the list. And then here we have our teas on the right side. So I have my chai tea bags, Earl Grey, peach herbal tea, and our sleepy time tea. We used to drink this all the time, and we've actually slowed down a lot, but it's always nice to have. And then we have our straws here, my glass straws and some disposable ones for coffee. And then down here, open this up. I think I organized this fairly well. So in the left-hand corner, we have all of our travel mugs, and most of them are insulated, coffee mugs, all of that. Hey, buddy. And then these are my boyfriend's and mine. There's 3 back there. Protein shaker bottles. Then we have our protein shakes. And then this is just extra coffee stuff. Sugar, coffee grounds, caramel, Vietnamese coffee, all of that. We have extra disposable coffee cups down here. Some other random cups as well. And then liquid IV and our supplements, like our vitamins. So that is everything for this drink area. I really like it. It's like the perfect space for all things drinks. And yeah, our alcohol is at the bar. So maybe I'll show you guys that one day. If you want to see it, let me know.